Okay, hi folks. So I'm going to show you how to install a live server, which is a way so that you can be working in Atom and then have a live preview happening over in your browser. So you're going to open up Atom, go to File, Settings, then you're going to come down to Install. You're going to search packages for live server, and you'll click on Install, and you can actually click into it to, let's try hitting install again. Okay, there it goes. Okay, and it's installed. So now I need to quit Atom and restart it. And in order for the live server to work at all, I need to make sure that I have a folder added. So I just need to select a folder where everything for this particular project is going to be. So I select the folder. Let me get that in screen. Select folder. There it is. And I pick one of these bad boys. There it is. And I start the server by doing Control-Alt-L. And it shows me the folder. And click on that. And click on whatever I want to preview. So as I work, I can get into, let's see. Get in here. This is my CSS, but still, and change something here, save it, and it will immediately update over here. Once I'm done, I need to do a Control-Alt-Q with Atom selected, and it stops the server, and that's it. Not bad.